Swahili for princess. I'll end it. I'm gonna end it. I see nothing. Oh God. Something so soft can be so destructive. I am powerful. I am the strongest being on the planet. Noggins. Where are we? Oh, honey bunch, snickums, hookums, lookums, snickums, snickers, snickerdo. Shut up, Chica. Binge watching. Chica, don't tell me to stop. I'm your sister. And pay attention to the road. Chica! Chica's such an idiot. That's really uncomfortable. Like, hey, Chica! 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 Pay attention to the road. Chica, pay attention to the road. Chica! 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 Figment.
I got this new job.
Oh, okay, Chica. Oh, gummy, on the way. And yes, the recorder has a tail. You need to get that tail checked out. Welcome. I do not like being welcomed. The air conditioner. It's something so soft can be said. Oh no, we moved. Bum. Here we have 3 hideous beasts. This hideous beast is called a hideous beast. This hideous beast is called a hideous beast junior. This hideous beast is called hideous beast junior the 3rd.
See if we did.
Oh, we can go out. We can go out. Love you. Here we are. Stop. You gotta go check the road. Run. Oh, no. Yes, they're still here. Finally, I'm out of that car. Yeah, that's Foxy's truck. This is at Dick's. Foxy need to be at Dick's. Stupid fox. Rip Wendy's cup. Rip cigarette. I smoked the cigarettes in the... Time to yeet myself towards the door. Open sesame. Because you know how he is. I have to check both sides. Let's go check around. Come on. These things were built for the power of Chica. Chica, chicken, boom, boom, chick. Chica, chica, boom, chick. It's probably at Wayback. No. Lava. Because it could be Foxy's lunch break. We do not have a mom. She's Dick's Wayback, or I don't know, work. All right, we're gonna visit Wayback. Wayback. Look at your Rexy tail. Some Wayback. Nope. Foxy has to be at work. I can't imagine another place where Foxy could be. Even though he could probably be getting a haircut. He only has 3 strands of hair. Why does he need a haircut? Alright, I'm gonna cross the road now. Run! We'll be back momentarily. You better be like... Okay, I'm in. I couldn't find... Too bad I couldn't find Foxy. Okay.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated...
Come on, Foxy.
Thank you.
Hum the way. Whoa. Terrible sounds. Whoa. Whee. This is cool. Whoa. Huh? Whoa. What? Oh, that's scary. Vibrating and the bubbles are going away. What? Run away! Get out while you still can! What's going on? It's coming! Oh, oh. I can't!
Maria! Good, I'm sorry, I'm inside the car wash.
What is that? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Am I good? Oh, okay, I'm out. Let's get out of here. I'm never returning again.
Hello?
Hi Maria, how are you?
I'm good. I'm sorry, I didn't know the phone was on silent.
Oh, okay, how are the babies?
I'm just good. We're feeding her right now, actually.
Aww.
Yeah,
She
she
sneak-
is a big eater.
She sneaked up on you, right? Like my little monkey.
Yes, she did.
Yeah, I applied for this job with TSA. Girl, they need, the only thing left to ask for is my first newborn. That is how long, they want information about your relatives, right? So
Right.
I put down my mother, and they were like, the next question is, how long have you known this one? Can you believe? I said since birth. I was
Fuck a dicks! Ding, ding, ding. Foxy! Oh. No, Foxy's not in here. How about I just leave? We'll be back momentarily. Oh, that's Foxy! Ah! Oh yeah, time to get ready for my soccer practice.
I saw your truck, and they said, oh, that's Ami's truck.
And nothing happened.
What?
I want to die. This is not our new bag.
Having the
No!